बोलो वहाँ
प्रीति
बेटा बाय।
हाँ, I said it feels amazing. It feels like a journey. 10 साल से ऊपर हो गए and it at least feels like I'm progressing and I'm moving ahead and I'm evolving and I'm growing, and that's what I want.
an actor's hat or a producer's hat, which is tougher?
Which is tougher?
Yeah.
Producer's hat. Very tough. You have to manage too many people and too many things. And I am not very good at multitasking. So for me, I was like, oh my god, ye bhi hai, ye bhi hai, ye bhi hai. I think as a producer, you have to look at the film from a holistic sort of a point of view. And you have to see everything from, you know, whether it's the edit, the music, small details of how you want the best version of that film to be put out. As an actor, I think you're just thinking about your character and limit it to your performance, which is easier.
You want to be a superwoman, I heard. I just saw your.
I would love to if someone writes.
Anything special you want to talk about?
No, nothing special. I just feel like, you know, we've not had too many superheroes of our own coming from our country, except for maybe Krish, you know, and I would love to also do action. So why not combine the two? And if someone writes a great superwoman script, I would love to do it.
Then what do you like to say on the film?
I think it's amazing. It's you know, it's 55 years, and it's a great platform that celebrates cinema, celebrates you know, films all across, and it's an honor for me to be here. I couldn't be here when my film Bhediya was in promotions. I was supposed to be there, and I was sick. And today, when, you know, I got a call, I was like, I would love to be here. Especially this year has gone by very well, with the grace of God, and I've had, like, you know, the fortune of like films doing well, you know, whether it's at the box office or now OTT, and to celebrate that, I'm here at it.
What will be your message?
Was shot in Goa. First movie. With
My
Deepak Mehta.
first movie was it was shot all over, to be honest. There was the first schedule was in Goa actually. Yeah.
Kriti, upcoming film as a producer, you want to go solo or again collaborate with Kanika as a producer?
See, right now I would say that I am also learning. I don't think when I'm acting and producing solo, I feel like it's too much of a burden, and I may not also do justice. So for me, I feel especially when I'm acting in a film, it's just nicer in the beginning to have a producing partner, which could be whoever, you know, who has the same passion for the film.
Women writer.
You made your debut in Tollywood with One Nenu Kudini. Later, of late, you did Adi Purush, which is technically a Hindi film. So when you're coming back to Tollywood?
When I answered this in the session also, when I get a great script, because yeah, I've made my debut there. It's been like home. I would love to do another Telugu film, but it has to be also a script that excites you as an actor.
Women writers, you know, very women writers को opportunity की बात करते हैं, तो किस तरीके से लगता है? And Kanika is a brilliant writer. Opportunities है enough for a woman writer to go and pitch and get things done.
Absolutely, absolutely. I don't think जब आप कहानी सुनते हो आप सोचते भी हो कि ये लड़की ने लिखी है कि लड़के ने लिखी है. You know, you never think. So I don't think there's ever a bias there or anyone thinks differently. I think a female perspective on things can come with a lot of shades, like how Kanika's does. You know, it can have a different perspective on the same characters. It also is nice when you want to show women in different lights and stronger lights. And I think women also have a lot of empathy. You know, they're just compassionate by nature, and I feel that brings about a lot of heart in the story.
Any biopic?
Last
Last question. Biopic you plan to be
It's
part
not
of?
come to me, so I can't
No,
think of anyone.
any special person you think his or her story should be told, and you would want
I
to tell?
swear, अगर मेरे दिमाग में ये होता ना तो मैं लिखवा लेती. So अभी मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा है.
Ma'am, any planning to do movie in Goa?
Movie in Goa तो I mean, it depends on the film. I can't say let's shoot a film in Goa.